Alright guys, today we're back for Jay-Z channel. Hear that? That's me and my M4. Let me put the window back up. I'm sure you got a good nice smell of that. Good little sound clip I just gave you. And obviously we're not in the M4 today, we're actually in the 428i. But it does look like an M4. And now we're going to switch the clip where I show you all around the car. It's got an M4 front bumper, it's got an M4 rear bumper, M2 exhaust back box. So that's why it sounds so good. It's got the Digi Dash, show them Digi Dash. Wow, look at that digital dash, yeah, look at this, watch this. Wait. Boom, sports mode, look at that beauty, yeah, changed up. Anyway, that's enough of the Digi Dash. We've got the Apple CarPlay, we've got all the cool stuff here, LED lights, heated seats, heated steering wheel. Just press that button and the steering wheel gets nice and hot. I could cook some bunions on this and I could just eat it, yeah, but the seatbelt doesn't let me because it's super safe. But yeah, don't get that in. The roof goes down. Subtle flex. Here's something really cool that you didn't know about a convertible, hopefully. If you didn't know, now you know. Go on, show them how it's done, Wajid. Boom. When you have luggage or groceries, you can lift a lot higher. Look at that boot space, it's gone up. Well, I don't know if the boot space gone up, but you know, it's quite cool. It's quite nice and high. Got this. Go on, show how it's done. Look at that. How to get your cousin to put stuff in the boot for you as well. Tactics. Yeah, look at that. Just destroy the shopping that we done. Anyway, this is how cool the car looks. Yeah, go on. And it lifts up just like that. But then when you close it, is it not going to ruin everything? We're going to show them now. There we go, perfect. So now, obviously, you bring it back down. Pyum, bang, boom. Wow. Close the boot. And soft closing. Is it closed? Yes, it is. 240 brake horse, sounds good, looks good. 40 mpgs on the motorway, I reckon I can get it on eco and comfort. Probably 25 mpgs driving around, but that's okay because it's good, it sounds good, looks good. Got the AC Schnitzer, yeah, pro German, you know, car build sort of thing. Red interior, red levers, as you can see. I know. So you got the red LED lights to make it look good. And what other stuff would you guys need to know about this? It's a 428i, so it's obviously a 420 but a bit more powerful. Got that nice sound to it, looks to it. Insurance is 1.5k for me, 1.6 I think if you round up, which is quite good. With someone that's almost 25, not 25 yet. And 5 years no clears, 5 years of driving, yeah, so it's quite good. And the road tax is about 240, I think, something like that, 2 something. So it's not too bad on road tax. So all in all, it's a really lovely car, if I'm honest, if you want the summary. And it looks like an M4, looks great. I've always wanted an M4. We've always, I don't know, just one of the dream cars to have, I guess, for me anyway. And I'm quite happy. So if you like how this car looks, sounds, or if you think there's anything I need to change to it, let me know in the comments. What do you think I should do? Is there any, like, you know, mods or on the front lights, we'll make them from white to yellow. That's the first mod I'm thinking. White to yellow and tints. I think this car needs to, I feel like I'm in a fishbowl, as you can see. I need to look illegal. I want to look illegal. I want to look like 9, 11. Who said that? It wasn't me. Oh, anyway, let me give you guys a little, listen to this. you know. Beautiful. So we're gonna go drive back home or a Sports Plus. Just get some nice hops and bangs hopefully in here. But what fun would it be if you have a convertible and not be in the rain, right? So let's take the Sports Plus off because it's raining. So just for you guys on the 4JZ channel, we're getting the roof down in the rain. That's how beautiful it is. We're gonna even, so what's good about this is it has neck warmers. So this button here, show them this button here. Yeah, you know, this is the neck warmer stuff here. Got the heated seats here, and I've also got heated steering button here. Now my steering wheel is gonna get hot, but we're gonna get wet because it's raining a little bit. Show them the beautiful weather in the sky. Wow, look at that, cloudy. So everyone must be thinking, what's wrong with these clowns? Good thing I've got a hood, because that's gonna keep me warm. Let's catch some good balls. I'll shut up now. This is how to get people to look at you guys. In the rain, have the top down. As you can see, that guy over there has a convertible top up. You're not enjoying the beautiful weather. What people don't understand is you can actually have the convertible with the roof down because although it's raining, I've got the neck warmer keeping me warm. I've got my heated seat on. I've got my heated steering, which is quite nice and warm. And I'm fine. The rain can't stop me. What's going to happen? My lever's going to get ruined. That's it. Who cares? Honestly, who cares? And I might even take a nice slow drive just so it rains a little bit, you know? It's quite funny me thinking about a nice thing. We're here to waste petrol, waste time, and give the people what they want to hear, really. Which is that, I think. And hopefully you guys too. And they don't give a fuck. See, a woman's got an umbrella here on the left. You're meant to show them when I'm pointing out the stuff, but you know what? It's fine. It's okay. You don't show the people what they want to see and stuff. So, you might get a little bit ill, but of course it's worth it with the roof down. What's the point of having a convertible? When you have a cool car, guys, you also get cool car privileges, which means you can people let you go through. That's another really good privilege. I like to show you guys the middle finger. So and I'll show them the roof that is coming down. Wow, look at the roof coming down, guys. Wow. See, this is what convertible is. What's really cool is the windows automatically close. Wow. And that's it. So yeah, I hope you liked today's video. Please subscribe, like, share, comment something. What do you think of the car? It's got nice red interior seats, you know, got red LED lighting or whatnot.